Derek DeBrosse, the gun lawyer.
Hi, gun lawyer here. Next question is sort of a follow-up to the questions I've been answering about the new law and private employers not being able to prohibit you from having a firearm in your motor vehicle as of around March 20th when the law takes effect. This is a question from a gentleman who says they're not worried about getting fired so much. Their question is the current law before March 20th. He says, I know that if the sign is posted banning firearms in the building, you can't carry. Now what I want to know is, say your place of employment doesn't have any signs posted anywhere in the building restricting firearms, but in the handbook, employee handbook, it does say they have, it does say that you cannot carry firearms. The question is do they have any legal standing if they try to charge me? Again, not worried about getting fired. I know they can do that. I'm just worried about civil and criminal liability. So if I understand the question correctly from the viewer, is under present law, not the new law, or even under the new law, if they violate company policy by carrying the firearm into the building, can they be charged with a crime? Yes, they can be charged with a crime. Can they be sued? Of course they can be sued. If there's damages that can be proven, of course. They would have to prove that there's some sort of financial damages. Theoretically, they may be able to get some sort of protection order against you once you're fired as well if they felt their life was in danger. All that being said, I would never obviously advise that anybody violate the law, and carrying it into a place where you're prohibited as an employee from carrying under your guidelines, handbook, or contract would not be advisable. So just don't do it. The new law again only applies to transportation of that firearm in your motor vehicle as long as it's locked in the motor vehicle in the parking lot. So keep that in mind. Hope that answers your questions. Put more comments or questions below, and I'll try to get around to them here in the near future. With that said, make sure you are safe out there and carry on.